Panel companies in Central Clinic/HQ can be extended to other connected clinics/branches. When extended, the panel's details are automatically synced to the other clinics. These panels are called centralized panels in HQ and extended panels in the branches. When invoicing, the visits/charges from the branches can be imported into HQ to create a single invoice for the panels. The panels will make the payments to the HQ and HQ will then make payments to the branches. So for the branches, HQ is another panel for them and the branches do not deal with the panels directly. To set up a centralized panel, go to the Panels page. Save the panel details as usual, including the coverage details. To make this panel as the centralized panel, tick Centralized Panel. Clicking the phrase Centralized Panel will list all branches that have this panel extended to them. Currently this panel is not extended to any clinics/branches. When this checkbox is ticked, all the branches will be listed. This is the list of the connected clinics/branches, displayed only when Centralized Panel is ticked. Select the branches to extend this panel to, and click Update to extend this panel to the selected branches. Once extended, click the phrase Centralized Panel to check the list. The branches that have this panel extended to them will be listed. Every time this panel's details are updated in the HQ, the details can be synced to the branches by selecting the branches and clicking Update. The panel can also be removed from the selected branches by clicking Remove. On the other hand, in the branches, extended panels will be indicated like this. The branch can also sync the panel details by clicking Update. That's it, you're done.